Oh my.
Yeah, this is good.
Let's not watch that.
Yeah.
No.
First, we're gonna see if we can do pool.
I have to watch this.
First, we're gonna get pool set up. It doesn't matter how they are on the truck. So we're just gonna set it up easily, like this. Camera, you walk. I don't think they can see. Camera, you watch. I need to go to the filmer needs to go inside. The filmer needs to go to Dunkin' Donuts. Let's just say that. But without the Dunkin'. No, that's just me. So, this is... We're gonna be playing pool, everybody.
Sorry, but you shot the wrong goal in the center. I actually think that some ghosts are cute.
What?
I actually consider some ghosts to be cute.
Hold this. And watch how I play pool. So, let's see how I can play pool. Oh, I already lost.
We will not count that because that is so dumb. There's the ball.
This is only introduction, so I can have as many turns as I want. Oh, forget it. I'm just gonna win.
Next, I think we're going to the third floor. Let's go to the third floor now.
Come on, Mama, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. Come on, we can do it. That's all there is upstairs. Come on, let's go. Come on, Mama.
Say goodbye.